Hello everyone, welcome to X1 GSM Alarm System instruction video. Today we will show you how to operate the system by mobile apps. Firstly, download the mobile app from Google Play or App Store by entering Ontips. Then entering the app interface. Add your account. Enter your panel name, your panel phone number, admin phone number, and save it. Use the password to access. The default password is 1234. You can remotely arm, disarm, stay arm the system, have a two-way talk, turn on, turn off the AC facilities like lights. From the setting, you can store alarm phone numbers. Each system can store 3 groups of SMS number and 5 groups of phone numbers. Change the zone names, like bedroom, living room, kitchen, and so on. Exit entry delay time setting makes you have enough time to go out or get in your house without triggering the alarm. Alarm type setting means sound mode or mute mode when alarming. While the sensors type setting, you can set NO or NC mode. Keep up SMS alert let you know what time your family members come back. Change your password. Change your languages. Local siren management means when someone breaks in your house, you could deter the intruders by alarming the system. You can also check your control panel state and IMEI number here.